Hi guys, welcome to my channel. What are you doing here? So if you are looking for a way to make money with naira arbitrage or dollar arbitrage, then this is the right channel for you. Make sure you watch this video step by step, and so that you can gain whatever you passed through. Please make sure you watch this video step by step again before joining my Telegram channel and asking questions, because most of people won't join my won't watch the video and then proceed to join the channel and then starting asking the question that they should already have answer to if they have watched the video. So I urge you to watch this video to the end. Don't pause any, just watch it step by step. So I want to demonstrate to you how I load my account from this app called PYYPL. So you can see here PPY here to my Binance. Okay, my Binance. So yes, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can load this PPY, and this app is like over 1,000 limit, which means you can use it continuously, not like that of the Eversend, that is Eversend and why that I am working again, but I never tried it with another card. So I'm just going to go to bank on Monday and obtain another UBA, Visa and MasterCard. If I can get this both and also get some access card, so you can aim as much as possible if you have many MasterCard. So I suggest you should register at 10 banks if you can. If you really want to make money, at least over 200,000 naira with this arbitrage every month, then I urge you to get many card as soon as possible. If you require to pay, just pay, because we will make money by spending more money. So let us get started without further ado. The first thing you need to do is to register on this app, which is the link is inside this description below. So the next thing you want to go is to add money. So you want to go here on using prepaid cash. So let me just go. So I'm going to go with $50. I want to check something out. $50. So the next thing I'm going to click is continue. So I'm going to add my card here. So I'm going to add my card here. So what I need to do is just to pause this video so you guys won't see my card. So I'll just proceed with the normal thing. First thing. So as you can see here, that I've already entered my card. So the next thing is to receive my OTP. OTP will send directly into my bank. So I'm using GT Bank app now. If I have exceeded the limit, this one will tell me this one will fail. But if I've not exceeded my limit, this one won't fail. So 62.5. Then I'm going to click on submit. So if you're asked to verify your account, or you are not register your Binance account, so the main thing you need to do is to register for the NIN and log in. You can go to the App Store or the Play Store to download the premium NIN. As you can see, the card is failed, which means I've exceeded my limit. So if I think you exceed your limit, just proceed and enter $100. Okay, enter the $100. Proceed with it. Okay. So about the verification, if I want to verify your Binance account, you can use your premium NIN. So how can you get to this premium NIN? By going to Play Store and downloading this app called as you can see here, you can see NIMC mobile. So you can log in with your NIN and your phone number, and the first thing will pop up. Let me just show you. Let me show you. So I've already used this premium NIN to verify a lot. So let me see. It doesn't come up. So I just leave it for now. You can just register and use that to verify your NIN. So if you have any issue, you can let me know in the comment below or in the Telegram group. So let us proceed. So after you have loaded money, so the most of issue that many people have is how can they load their money on this card. So the first thing you need to do is to copy the card. You see the card here. I just iris card, so some hackers won't use it. And also this thing are verifying OTP stuff that you can use Yeah, it's okay. The next thing you want to do is to go to your Binance account. This is very important, guys. Your Binance account, right here in the top corner. Go to your settings and change this. Your payment currency changes from Nigeria to USD. Okay, USD. Change it from Nigerian to USSD. So that is the best option for you. So after you go there, next thing you want to see, you see this one, activate credit debit card. So you see here, activate the credit debit card. So the next thing you want to do is to click on debit credit card and input the total for. So I'm going to choose a crypto called USDT. So let me assume that you want to do like $95 because after some fee it's really like 98. So let me assume you want to do like $98. Okay, I'm just going to click on continue. As you can see, this is the MasterCard I've already added to this. Okay, you not 98 USD, you're going to retrieve 95 USDT, and the remaining is for the what? It's for the fee. So the next thing you want to click is to click on confirm. So if you add your card, so many people have problem in adding their card. So after you add your card, let me see. Assume I want to change the card like this. So let me see. I want to add a new card. I want to add a new card. Add a new payment card. Okay, it doesn't shows up. Okay, add a new card here, right here. So first thing you want to do, input your real name that you used to register on that account. So for mine, it's like Lawal Lekan. So after I input my own name right here, I'm going to input my card number, which is gotten from this account called the PPY. Okay, gotten from here. So the next thing you want to do after that is it will show you the billing address. So this is where most of us mistake. So make sure you listen to this step carefully. This is where most of us make a mistake when it comes to adding address. Then we proceed and inputting our Nigeria address. Immediately your card will decline. Your card will be declined immediately. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to just on the maybe in the states, in the country, you can just choose United States, and in the states you can write Alabama and write any general zip code, maybe like normally it's like 244-345. So and then proceed with it. Don't use your Nigeria address to register for it. Please note, don't use your Nigeria address to register for this. Hope you are getting this, guys. Okay, please don't use your Nigeria account. I've said it again and again. And don't come into the Telegram group asking the question that you are supposed to watch it. Never forward the video. Watch the video from step to step, so you can get what I'm trying to say. So after then, you'll be after they accept the card, then you proceed on next, and it will show you OTP. So this is where you could get your OTP. You can just go here and then click on OTP. Okay, and load it like this. So let's say the OTP doesn't come up. The next thing you're going to do is to close the app and relaunch it again. So after relaunching and enter your password for the login, it will show the OTP like a notification will come up here. Notification will come up here. Okay. So after then, my money will be deducted. So I think for like $100, they deduct a fee of like $2.6. So if you I thought that you have a $95 here. Okay, you can't load $95. You can only load maybe $92 of that $95. So they charge the service fee of like, let me see, like $2.6. Okay, as you can see here, they charge a fee of like $6.2. So I see, as you can see, this is a recent order. This is a recent order that we like to make. Okay, just don't go beyond of yourself. Okay, and you can use like many cards on this platform to load it till you reach. So make sure to follow the step. Number 1, load this account. Number 2, after you load this account, go to Binance, change your settings to USD. Change it from Nigerian to USD. And number 3, don't use Nigeria address, use USA address. Okay, you can just don't go by yourself like asking for address around. You can put United States, Alabama, and ask for zip code 244-345. then proceed. You'll be asking, just go back here and then get your OTP. That's it. That's easy as it is. Go here and get your OTP. It's easy as that. So after you get your OTP, the next thing you want to do is to go on Binance. After you have loaded your USDT, next thing you want to do is to go on Binance. If you are using Android phone, then you can go to tip or go to funding and click on P2P. But you need to transfer your USDT by clicking on transfer file. You see your funding, click on transfer and then select USDT. Okay, then you can transfer your USDT from spot to after. So let's see, and transfer your USDT. This is my available USDT now. So which means I can transfer it from spot to trend. I can from spot to fund. So after I've transferred it to fund, the next time I want to go on P2P and click on sell. So as you can see, this thing is still in dollar. You can just go here, that say USDT, and change it to NGN. Okay, so you want to find the one, maybe you are like just times 500, maybe let me see, you are selling like $90. So I just assume some value. See, $90 is almost 50,000 naira. Let me just see 40,000 naira, it's just 90,000 naira. So the next thing you want to do is to click on bank transfer. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is click on confirm. So this one is, and also note one thing of this merchant ad. Don't let them show this merchant ad because they are very expensive. Let us agree we want to show this merchant ad. As you can see, their rate be very low. Oh, I think this is great. So as you can see, this one is selling for $69 and it's almost 30 something. So the one is going to click on buy. To click on buy. After you click on buy, select all the USDT that you want to load. Okay. Just click on okay. We are going to sell, not to buy. Sorry. So just click on the USDT and buy and sell the USDT into your wallet. The money will be sent to your account. So if you never have your account and this is your first time on Binance, you can just go here and then add a new payment method. So you can add as many as possible. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you think if your success is not like true, just make sure you notify me in the group on my Telegram channel and also on the comment box below. I'll be happy to reply each and one of you. So thank you for watching and have a nice day and happy evening. So subscribe to my channel because more of this video is coming.